In today's video, I'll show you how to create a cinematic color grade in Photoshop. First, select the background layer and drag it towards this plus sign here to create a duplicate layer. After that, go to Filter and choose Convert for Smart Filters so you can adjust the settings later if needed. Now go back to the Filter menu and select this option called Camera Raw Filter. Inside the Camera Raw panel, scroll down and open up the color grading section. Start with the highlights wheel, drag the center point away from the middle, and use the outer ring to choose a warm color tone. You can adjust the intensity and brightness according to your image, of course. Next up, move to the shadows wheel, drag the center point, and choose a cooler tone, like the color green or blue, to create that cinematic contrast. Now go to the midtones wheel and add the color tone you prefer. You can increase or decrease the amount and adjust the brightness depending on the style you want. After that, scroll up to the light section, increase the contrast a little, lower the whites slightly, and adjust highlights and shadows for a more natural cinematic effect. If needed, go to the effects section and add a little texture for extra detail. Once you're satisfied, click OK. And now you can clearly see the before and after. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.